Hello and welcome to the 60-day Startup Launch Blueprint course. Welcome to this session, how to discover amazing startup ideas. So where do you start? And how do you find a business idea that has potential to turn a profit? If you are wondering about this, you are in the right place. This course is made for you if you are struggling to come up with startup idea, or you already have an idea you want to pursue but don't know where to begin. Maybe you got demotivated, maybe you found out that the competition is huge, or you are one of those creative dreamers that come up with a lot of ideas but don't know which to pursue further. And if you are wondering how famous startups like Airbnb, Uber, Tinder, and Pinterest came up with their startup ideas, be rest assured, I'm going to narrate a lot of case studies and I'll be sharing a lot of startup stories with you guys to make sure you understand how these startups work and you realize and get acquainted with the startup DNA. Every time you hear about a startup story, you will realize that each one of them started very differently. Now that signifies the fact that your startup journey is as unique as you. Some founders, they were forced to innovate because they were struggling financially. Financial struggle has been known to stimulate a lot of creativity. And you think about Airbnb. Some are highly passionate for their industry, product, or the mission and the belief that their startup represents. Yet others have a vision for the future that only they can see and want to turn that vision into a reality. They might accomplish that through breakthrough design, branding, or engineering. So, do they have something in common? Do these entrepreneurs know something that we don't? Do they have anything in common for sure? Let's find out. Let's dig in, shall we? More often than not, a startup idea is born out of spotting a problem. Problems rooted in real-world, everyday scenarios. Something that's frustrating, something that is annoying, and something that you encounter every day, which is a total time waster. So for example, when you can't find a parking spot, or if you're getting stuck in traffic, Mumbai represent, alright? The city is known for its traffic jams. Or if you're trying to change your internet banking password while the customer representative places you on a never-ending hold, and it feels like a eternity, and you start blaming yourself as you why you forgot the password in the first place.
What can I do for you, ma'am?
I'm calling because my Wi-Fi suddenly stopped working.
Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to calm down.
What? I'm calm.
Ma'am, you're not getting anywhere if you keep yelling.
Excuse me, I'm not yelling.
Ma'am, please calm down. Please calm down.
As I said, I'm calm.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to calm down if that's okay.
I'm calm.
Okay, when you talk like that, like when you start yelling, it's really hard for me to understand you.
I'm calm.
Please hold. Can I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Sarah Mitchell.
Oh, slow down, please. First name?
Sarah.
Can you spell that, please?
S-A-R-A-H.
Ma'am, I said slow down, please. Come on.
S.
S as in salsa.
Yes. A.
A as in avocado.
R.
R as in rancho dressing.
A.
A as in asado.
Yep, and H.
H as in hot tamale.
Yes.
There's nothing I can do.
But wait, what? Why not?
Well, our company just went out of business, ma'am. And I'm afraid you're gonna have to call a new provider.
What? Are you serious? Why the hell am I on the phone with you then?
I have no idea. You called me.
Now these are frustrating problems. However, if you look closely, problems and opportunities are the opposite sides of the same coin. And it is a matter of perspective. It's a matter of perspective from which side are you looking at and how your mind is trained to grasp the situation. Now the fact is, we are surrounded by problems, and each problem carries with it a solution. A solution which is waiting to be turned into a billion-dollar world-changing business, if only you could see it from a certain perspective. So the best place to start would be to begin looking at problems with the mindset of an entrepreneur. Start thinking in the terms of how would your favorite entrepreneur look at the problem? How would Steve Jobs look at this? How would Elon Musk look at it? How would Bill Gates tackle this situation for you? And how would your favorite entrepreneur, he or she, work to find a solution? Simple fact of the matter is, don't deal with it, solve it. Now, there are more than enough problems in the world, real talk, right? And your quest should be to figure out how you can solve them profitably. So you can start by asking these 5 questions. Basic 5 questions to assess and start your journey. The number 1 question that you could ask is, does a solution already exist in the market? The second question would be, how effective is that solution? Third question is, how can I solve it or make a better solution? Question number 4, can I use tech to improve it? And finally, the most important question that you should be asking yourself is, how can I build a business around solving this problem? So next time when you're looking at an idea, put on your thug life glasses, all right? Start seeing the problems and understand that you are staring at a potential gold mine. Problems equals opportunities. There are opportunities hidden in plain sight. Just need a change in perspective. Cheers.